Here's my 4-step routine to repair your skin barrier. Use this jelly cleanser that is sulfate-free and non-foaming that cleans without stripping your skin. Harsh cleansers can damage your barrier and leave your skin dry and irritated. Apply the Bounce Baby Serum with hyaluronic acid and probiotics. These ingredients provide deep hydration and calm inflammation while rebuilding your barrier. Seal it all in with a ceramide-rich barrier cream like this Sake Cloud Cream. This helps repair damaged skin and prevents further moisture loss. Finish with satin sunscreen, a lightweight broad-spectrum SPF. UV damage weakens your barrier, so sunscreen is non-negotiable even indoors. Follow me for personalized skincare routines and expert tips to get glowing, healthy skin.